This is an interactive video on grouping of tens. In this video, what we're going to do is show you how to regroup or take individual blocks and make them into one group of 10. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What we want to do is make one large group of 10 and see how many are left over. Here's how we do that. We place one here, another one, a fourth one. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here's a group of 10, and we have 1, 2, 3 left over. So we have 10 plus 3, which is equal to, so you'll notice here, what we have is 10 plus 13. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So by grouping, we group this into 10 plus the 3 down here, 1, 2, 3, 10 plus 3 equals 13. So getting groups of 10 make it really easy for us. Okay, boys and girls, let's look at the example so we can see what we need to know for this lesson. What we need to do is determine how many groups of 10 are there. Now let's see how many we have in each one of these stacks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we want to do is circle a group of 10. So here's 1, and here is 2, and here is 3. So we have how many groups of 10? If you said 3, from what we see up here, you're correct. Now, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ones. So what we say here then, how many 10s are there? 3. How many ones? 6. So what does this number represent? Well, the 3 means there's 3 10s, and the 6 means there's 6 ones, so the number is 36. 36 is what we're looking at. 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look at the example at the bottom. Now let's see how many we have in each one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a 10 again. So let's circle our 10. Okay, that's 1, and here's 2, and here is 3, whoa, and here is 4, and the last one is 5. So how many 10s do we have? If you said with me, if you counted, and you said 5, you are correct. How many ones? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 ones. Okay, let's see what we said here. There are 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and how many ones? We said there are 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So, what does this mean? This means that we have 5, 53. The number is 53. 5 10s and 3 ones. 53. Okay, let's go to the first problem, and we'll bring a student up here. Please have a student come up to the smartboard, and let's go to the first problem. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, here we are at problem 1. Now you'll notice we have the same strawberries at the top as we have at the bottom. We want you to work on the bottom one. We want you to circle the number of tens we have at the bottom and write that number here. And we want you to count the number of ones and write that number here. And then we want you to write the number of tens here, the number of ones, and write down here what that number means. Once you pick up the pen, the video will pause. When you place the pen back in the tray, we will provide you with the answer up above. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, let's see what we have. How many tens do we have? Well, let's see how many strawberries we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have one group of strawberries, two groups of strawberries, and we have three groups of 10 strawberries. So how many tens do we have? If you wrote the number 3, you are correct. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 ones. We have 3 tens, and we have 5 ones. So what does that number represent? Well, it represents the number 35. 35 is 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay, hopefully yours matches ours. Outstanding. Please pick up an eraser, erase the screen, and we will go to the next problem and have another student come up. Thank you. Okay, here we are at problem 2. We have the problem at the bottom and at the top. You figure out the number of tens, circle the number of tens at the bottom, and write down the number of ones. Place the number here for the number of tens, the number of ones, and write down here what that number means. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, boys and girls, let's see how many P's we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle. We have 10 P's. So we have a group of 10, and we have another group of 10, and we have another group of 10, and we have another group of 10. So how many P's do we have? If you said we have 4 groups of 10, you are right. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should have placed the number 8 right here. Now what does that mean? Well, that means we have 4 tens and how many ones? 8. But let's write down what that number means here. 48. 48 means you have 4 tens and 8 ones. Hopefully yours looks just like ours. Please pick up an eraser and erase the screen, and we'll have another student come up for problem 3. Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, we're doing a great job. Here we are, problem 3. Same thing. We have tens at the bottom, same problem at the top. We want you to pick up a pen and circle the number of tens and write that number down and the number of ones and write those numbers in here and write down what they mean. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, let's see how many grapes we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have one group of 10 here, and we have another group of 10 right here. So how many groups of 10 do we have? 2. If you said 2, you are correct. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ones. So what does that mean? That means we have 2 tens and 6 ones. And what does that number mean? Well, it means we have 26. The number 26. 2 tens, 6 ones. 26. Great job. please pick up an eraser, erase the screen, and we'll go to the last problem and have a student come up. Thank you. Okay, here we are, the last problem. Problem 4. And what are these? Oh, they are tomatoes. We want you to circle the number of tens at the bottom and write that number here. Then place the number of ones over here. Write the number of tens, the number of ones, and write what that number means. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, let's see what you have. Here's one group. I know there's 10 in this group. There's 10. Here's a second group. We know there's 10 in that group. Here's another group. We know there's 10 in that group. And we know there's 10 in this group. Whoop, and there's another 10. This is a big number. Here's another 10. So, how many groups of 10 do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 6 groups of 10. Large number. How many ones? We have 3 ones. So, we have 6 tens and 3 ones. Now, what does that mean? That means we have the number 63. 6 tens and 3 ones. 63. Great job. Please pick up an eraser and erase the screen. And thank you.